Always like to showcase some beautiful tropical paradise. My country, Jamaica. Look at all these trees, my viewer. Wherever you're viewing from. This is beautiful Jamaica. Such a beautiful country. So beautiful.
I was a nice one.
Yeah. Whoa, I'm going up, super wet. So I have to be careful, my viewers, walking up this little gradient. I like the stone wall over there. What they do, the stone wall, very neat, my viewers. Welcome to my channel, wherever you are viewing from. I'm showcasing my country, Jamaica. Nice stone wall. Beautiful places. See, we got there. Green lush grass. So beautiful. See all these orchids. Nice orchids. Tropical, beautiful plants. Here in Jamaica, look at the tree. Very nice. All the way up. Enjoy nature walk. Pimento tree. Nice waterfall. Must be a pool. Oh, it's a pool, okay, but it's empty. Okay, 5 feet and 6 feet, 8 feet. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, wherever you are viewing from. This is my channel, Koja Country Lifestyle. Nature, you can hear all the parrots. I must say thanks everyone for watching. One love from Jamaica. Please leave a comment, and if you are new, welcome every other one. Thanks everyone for watching. One love.